Currently in Louisiana, and just spent a wonderful day in Lafayette, and we have come here to Avery Island, which is home to the bottling plant of Tabasco. Tabasco goes to over 180 countries around the world. It's a global brand. It's a fantastic in your cooking if you like to spice it up a little bit. So yeah, you come to Avery Island. They've got a museum. You can have a little tour. You can walk around. They've even got a restaurant, so you can try some food with some Tabasco on it. I've heard some ice cream as well. So yeah, let's go check out the Tabasco Museum. that was an amazing tour. So you can go to a greenhouse, see where the peppers are grown. Then you can go to the barrel room and see the process of how the barrels are made, which makes it quite unique for Tabasco, given that unique oak flavor. Ash area where they put all the blend into the barrels. And then you see the storage area where the barrels are stored. Factory where you can see the bottles, you can see all the bottles going through. You learn about why Avery Island was chosen, mostly because of the salt mines. Salt is an important part of Tabasco. Only 3 ingredients are used for Tabasco. And then you can have a dining experience here on the site. So you can try some Tabasco dishes, which is just where I'm going to next. So I'll show you that. And the museum, of course, you can learn all about history, branding, marketing. The gift shop's pretty impressive. They've got some amazing ideas. You name it, they put Tabasco on it. I recommend visiting Avery Island, checking out everything Tabasco. So you can try Tabasco ice cream here at the gift shop here at Tabasco Museum. So you've got sweet and spicy, and then you've also got a raspberry chipotle. Let's try the raspberry chipotle right now. Here you go. Ooh, it's got a little bit of a kick to it. It's quite sweet, quite spicy. Got some really good notes to it, yeah. Go on, not bad. Give it a go. Give it a try when you come here.